SCALA Wetzikon is a non-profit association which organizes various events for the region. Around 100 volunteers work throughout the year for these events and for the restaurant in the same building.
It's a crazy ride, isn't it? I'm loving it.
My name is Adrian van Mierelt, and I am responsible for the administration at SCALA Wetzikon. We moved into this building in 2002. Requirements regarding air quality were not the same then as they are now. We received many complaints about how it was too cold or it was too drafty.
My name is Christian. I've been the kitchen chef at Restaurant Oxen for the last 2.5 years. Besides cooking, I'm also responsible for the service. The cold air was a problem for us because the food would already become cold in the kitchen, and our employees had to wear a jacket while they were working. And as if that wasn't enough of a problem, we were also receiving bad reviews. Our guests declared they preferred to wear jackets because of the cold.
As a multi-use building, SCALA Wetzikon perfectly highlights the two main reasons existing buildings need to retrofit HVAC systems: discomfort and poor energy performance. Often it is not necessary to change the entire system. Even small changes can make a significant improvement and provide additional benefit of saving energy with the right know-how. We accepted the challenge to find the best solutions for SCALA Wetzikon and brought in our expertise with dedicated Retrofit Plus partners.
SCALA Wetzikon called upon us for help because employees and guests were complaining about the draft and the cold temperatures. I'm Patrick Martin, building automation expert at Hustec Installations AG in the Zürcher Oberland. We implement electrical installations, building automation systems and energy management solutions. Together with Belimo, we analyzed the plant and discovered that some of the field devices were no longer functioning properly and were not doing what they should. We determined that the greatest need for action was in air conditioning and energy recovery. We could see that the dampers and valves in the air handling unit were no longer opening or closing. In cooperation with our colleagues at Belimo, we performed airflow simulations and smoke tests. We were shocked to discover how poorly the air circulates in the rooms. To fix this, we worked together with Belimo and replaced the field devices and installed a new control. With that, we can now control as needed and create an ideal room climate. Measures were also necessary with respect to energy recovery. Here we replaced the piping, the valves and the pumps. To monitor energy flow, we opted for the Belimo energy valve. The collaboration with Belimo was awesome. I was familiar with their product, and if I did have any questions, there was always someone there to help me.
By comparing before and after measurements, we could prove that the investment had paid off. We were able to improve air quality by 30%, increase heat recovery by 50%, and reduce energy consumption by 30%.